Make 2018 the year for healthier, younger looking skin. Jennifer with Platinum Skincare is here to show us how to get a youthful glow and improve our color, freshness, texture, and tone. Joining me this morning is the owner there, Jennifer. Welcome.
Hi. Thank you. Thank you.
We have Andrea, who's going to be our little model this morning.
Yes.
Before we get to that, talk to me a little bit about your skincare line and how it can help somebody through the winter months and summer months.
Absolutely. I mean, you need to take care of your skin all year long. You know, in the wintertime especially, you get dry, your skin gets dull, and you get a lot of pigmentation, a lot of damages from over the summertime that you really want to fix.
Okay.
And so kind of like in the New Year's time is the time where people really start getting into, okay, I need to fix all the problems that I did all summer long, you know, lay in the sun and all that. And how we do that is, you know, we like to use antioxidants, we like to use acids. And I know acid sounds kind of scary, like I don't want to put battery acid on my face.
Well,
right?
exactly. You don't want to burn it, even because especially nowadays with the bitter cold temperatures, you don't want it to, you know, it's already flaky.
Right. Well, and you know, there's about 20 layers of dead skin on the outside of your face. So yeah, you're getting flaky. And what we want to do is we want to remove some of that.
Okay.
So that you got the nice, compact, smooth skin and texture showing. And you know, we can do that by using something every night like a retinol. Which is something like, you know, Retin-A is the prescription. Retinol you can use over the counter. It works very well. It doesn't cause, you know, any of the irritations that you can get with a prescription. So we like to have people use that. It's a little bit more moisturizing as it gently exfoliates your skin. Now, we also have, you know, something like as simple as an acid-based cleanser. All of these, based on whatever your skin type is, we have more hydrating acids like lactic acid for dry skin. We have like salicylic and things that pull out of your pores if you have acne skin. And, you know, for normal skin, we use glycolic or mandelic, things like that. If you use these every day, that'll help to thin that outermost layer of dead skin and keep you looking great, but it'll also prepare you to do something like an at-home chemical peel.
So this is something you do at night or in the morning before you go out the door?
Both.
Oh, you can do it twice a day.
Yeah, wash your face with this twice a day. Your face will be so smooth. It is amazing. People that have never used an acid-based cleanser before and they switch and they try this, they're like, oh my God, my skin feels like baby smooth. Wow. And it just gets better.
Okay, and then you're moving on to a little bit, you want it to kind of know that it's okay to do a chemical peel at home. It's safe. You don't have to always go to the dermatologist's office. Tell me about that.
It is. Well, there's a lot of different acids. And yes, if you're doing, you know, a big heavy hitter one, go ahead and go see your dermatologist and get that done.
Yeah.
But there's a whole new slew of tools available. All these different milder acids like mandelic and glycolic and things like that that you can do at home very simply. And we kind of wanted to do a little demo to show people how easy it is to do a chemical peel.
All right.
It is so simple. Now, you know, basically, Andrea's washed her face, so you want to start with a clean face.
You're brave to go on air with no
makeup.
Right? I don't know if I do that. I've only done that a couple times.
Right. Well, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do a prep solution, and all that is kind of like a high alcohol base with a little bit of acid in there. It just
makes me really pink.
Yeah, and that's
well, it's just kind of cleaning the skin first.
Yep. You want to strip all the oils off so that when you put the acid on, you know, it can penetrate. Oils will slow down the absorption of.
Okay, so it burns a little bit.
So, well, it's
not burn.
I want it to dry because it's alcohol, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we want that to dry for a second. And then this one, like the chemical peels come in a couple different ways that we manufacture them. We have them in larger bottles. We have them in like a pre-saturated peel. They just pull that out and put one on. Or they also come in our new kits.
Okay, so now is there different strength? Is she just doing like a intro?
Right now she's doing the mandelic 40%.
Okay.
And you're just gonna wipe it on, you know, starting at the forehead. You know, you wanna cover everything, just avoid the eye areas.
Yeah.
And you can even, you know, taper it down
leave this on. You don't wash it back off. You just kind of let it sit on there.
Wash it off in about 5-10 minutes. It depends on everybody's different. Depending on if you feel like it's burning a lot, it's generally a tingle.
It's a little tingle.
I've done peels for probably 10 years, so this doesn't really affect me. I just get pink.
And then how often do you do the peels?
Well, with the milder acids, you could do this like once a week, and we want to do a series of 8. That's considered a series, and you would do 1 peel per week.
Okay.
And what's going to happen in a couple of days? She's going to rinse this off in about 10 minutes, and in a couple of days, her skin's going to get dry, maybe a little bit flaky, and just mild little flakes starts in and radiates out. It'll be done in about another 5 days, and her skin will look amazing.
So she doesn't need to stay home for like 3 or 4 days.
No.
After a peel. Like,
Those
you ever seen the
peels-
Sex and the City one where where she got the big peel and she was red.
Yeah, she probably had a very high strength TCA.
No, I know. I'm just referencing.
Yeah.
So real quickly, you're based here in Michigan.
We are.
Well.
We're
right
here.
Find you?
We're right here at 20556 Hall Road, right at Hall and Heinrich. And most of the people are going to find us on our website, which is platinumskincare.com, and then just click the peels button, and you can try yours at home.
I love this because I've actually gone to the dermatologist's office previous years and gotten peels, so now I can do it right at home. I love that. I love that I can do it now right at home. Yeah, it's awesome. Well, thank you guys for coming in. Thanks for being so brave to go on air and do makeup. We'll put more information on our website, which is fox2detroit.com.